Last week we had our fourth Mustang Musings assembly. Let's get a recap.
Last Thursday, we held our final start of the year Mustang Musings assembly. We discussed what it means to be STEM crazy outside. We are curious when we smile and are kind to others, when we meet someone new, and when we invite others to participate. We are respectful by keeping our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves, keeping away from classroom windows, and using appropriate language and volume. We are accountable when we put our trash in the garbage can, take care of school property, and play appropriately. We show zero quit when we give 100% effort and when we try, fail, and try again until we succeed. We also took a moment to recognize the first Mustangs of the month of the school year. We will recognize a new group during each Mustang Musings assembly. Congratulations to this group. As usual, we paused for a handbook minute. We discussed the expectations in the hallways. Students should not enter the hallways before 7:42 and should exit before 3 o'clock, unless you are in the dining hall or library areas. During class time, students must have a signed hall pass to be in the halls, which they can only receive if they are wearing a visible student ID. Hall passes will not be given during the first 10 minutes of class, the last 10 minutes of class, or during lunchtime. On the Mustang Room page of the school website, we showed how students can correct an absence error by submitting a short form. This will send an email to the attendance secretary and your teacher for verification. On the same page, you may request a new badge if you never received one or if you need a replacement. The first one was free, the second will cost you 200 crazy points, the third one 300 crazy points, the fourth 400 crazy points, and so on. Teachers, you may also request a new badge for a student if needed, and they will be charged accordingly. We discussed being STEM crazy in the lunchroom. In the lunchroom, we are curious when we try new foods and we get to know someone new. We are respectful by keeping our hands, feet, and other objects to ourselves, by saying please and thank you, and by using appropriate language and volume. We are accountable when we clean up after ourselves, when we finish food before leaving the cafeteria or outdoor eating areas, and when we take care of the school property. We are zero quitting when we wait in line patiently and when we walk our trash to the garbage. We finished our assembly by discussing a few key safety resources at Westlake. All students are encouraged to download the SafeUT app on their mobile device. The SafeUT app is a statewide service that provides real-time crisis intervention to kids. It's available 24/7, it's 100% confidential, and it's always free. You can use it to have a texting chat with a crisis counselor, to phone in and talk directly with a crisis counselor, or to submit a tip to your school. If you don't have a mobile device, you can access the SafeUT crisis line right from our webpage, westlakestem.org, using your Chromebook. We also discussed and practiced our lockdown procedures. A lockdown is initiated when there is a potential threat to student safety on or adjacent to the campus. All students and staff go to the nearest classroom and lock the door. Interior classroom doors are locked. Those doors will not be open for anyone, but classroom activities may continue as normal. That's it. That concludes our start of the year Mustang Musings assemblies. Our next assembly will be on October 28th. See you then.
School can be tough, but beyond the classroom, sometimes we deal with things that make us feel uncomfortable or even unsafe. Things like bullying, fighting, or a friend that is feeling especially sad and acting strangely. To help protect yourself and your friends, it's important to tell the right people about these situations in a way that you can remain completely anonymous. Here's how. This is the SafeUT app. It's available on the App Store and on Google Play, or there's a button on your school's website. With the SafeUT app, you can send an anonymous tip about bullying, cyberbullying, violence, harassment, concerns about a friend, or anything else that makes you feel uncomfortable. To send a tip, simply tap the Submit a Tip button. Choose your location and the category that matches your tip, and provide as much detail as possible in the tip form. Remember, you can always remain anonymous. After you're done, hit Submit, which will send your tip to people who can help. You can also chat directly with a caring crisis counselor who will listen and talk with you about anything you're struggling with. If you don't have a smartphone or can't get to a computer, you can send anonymous tips on the district safety hotline. You can call 801-481-7199 or text 801-664-2929. Save these numbers or keep them in a place where you can easily find them. Be sure to always dial 911 for emergencies.
Thanks for the recap.